Congratulations, you got your 5 I Ching hexagrams lined up here. But you must be a little bit puzzled with how to get about those strange signs. Don't worry, that's exactly what I'm going to explain you here. Based on your 3 personal numbers you keyed in, 5 out of 64 hexagrams are generated to help you make sense of your situations. A hexagram is composed of 6 lines. You may have noticed that there are only 2 types of lines in each hexagram. One long line, which is called yang, and 2 short or broken lines, which is called yin. Here is the difference between the yang and the yin. Yang represents masculine, doing, creative, and advancing energy, and yin stands for feminine, being, supportive, and resting energy. The 2 energies are both essentially present in our lives. The art, however, is to understand when to apply what and how those 2 energies oppose, unite, interact, and transform. In other words, I Ching wants you to gain insights how your inner energy interacts with outer energy that you can shift from being troubled to success. If you take a closer look at each hexagram, it is formed by 2 nuclear units, upper and under trigrams. There are in total 8 different trigrams. They came into different combination with each other, forming the 64 hexagrams. Each trigram represents a different quality of the energy resembled by a force in the nature, such as heaven, earth, fire, water, thunder, wind, lake, and mountain. So if a hexagram reading image says wind above water, you know then it comes from the nature of the upper trigram and the lower trigram in combination between wind and water. Look at the 5 hexagrams as a group. They work seamlessly together to broaden your perspective. Hexagram 1 represents your subjective view or experience of the situation. It gives you a snapshot of the situation now and help you start to understand your own perspective and attitude in it. Hexagram 2 helps you to reach a sense of the matter and start to develop right understanding what is a key issue in your situation and hence help you shift the attitude and bring about a change. Hexagram 3 represents a potential outcome of your situation. It helps you to gain insight. What elements are required for nurturing the desired outcome or to avoid undesirable outcome? Hexagram 4 represents a potential risk or opportunities embedded in your situation. So if you are encountering a potentially positive outcome, it warns you the potential risks so that you do not lose caution and go astray. If your potential outcome indicates adversity and hurdles, this hexagram then indicates the potential opportunities that you shall seize and act upon. In other words, it prepares you not to be overburdened by the setbacks, nor to overbending your own luck. Hexagram 5. This hexagram complements hexagram number 1. It represents an objective view of your situation. It takes you out of own subjective experience and looking from a more neutral perspective so that you can see the total picture and see clearly how things might evolve. Next step, you will be invited to dive into hexagram readings in detail. Each hexagram reading is composed of a title, some keywords to broaden the understanding, the image description to help you visualize, and the explanation text for you to build your resonance, and in the end, the key questions for you to reflect upon in the context of your quest. Okay. Note down your resonance with the reading and your answer to those reflective questions. The more you make connection between the reading and your situation, and the deeper you reflect upon those questions, the more rewarding the result will be by the end of this process. Do find a quiet place and time to honor yourself with this, what I call as inner alchemical process. Good luck with it.